Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for a final exam in one day. First, quickly identify the most important topics and concepts from your course. Gather all your notes, textbooks, and any other study materials you have. Then, divide your limited time into specific, focused blocks for each subject area. This structured approach helps ensure you cover essential ground efficiently. Next, engage in active learning. Don't just reread, actively test yourself on the material. Create quick flashcards for critical definitions, dates, or formulas. Try explaining difficult concepts out loud as if you were teaching someone else. This method helps solidify your understanding and identify areas needing more review, making your one day count. To maximize your one day of study, optimize your environment. Eliminate all distractions, like social media, to maintain intense focus. Remember to take short, 5 to 10-minute breaks every hour to prevent burnout and keep your mind fresh. Staying hydrated and fueling your body with healthy snacks will also sustain your energy levels throughout your study session. Finally, prioritize your well-being for exam day. Ensure you get at least 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep. It's crucial for memory consolidation. Before the exam, do a quick review of a concise summary of key points. Remember to check the description for the Echo Dot link and other great deals to help bring your space to life. Good luck with your exam.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.